Okay, so this is an origami thing from Japan. And origami means paper folded into stuff. Like the fortune teller. It was created in Japan and it's origami. And today I'm going to teach my mom and dad and my little brother how to make a peace crane, an origami thing also. And the tip is also, if you're listening to this video, the tip is if you're making this, get good creases. And good creases mean like sharpen the folds really good, because you'll need those folds for something really important, and in the end they'll help you with your thing, with your origami. You won't need to do that.
Okay. Sorry.
It's okay. Okay, first thing, fold these in. And this starts out like a fortune teller. Yeah, make triangles.
Oh, great. Is that right?
Yep, then fold all four out.
Like that?
And then then fold all of them out. Fold them out. Out.
Okay.
Out like this. Instead of in, you fold them out. And then you fold it sideways like this. And then you open it up again. You may think this is odd. Fold it again. And this is a little tricky thing. But when I learned it, I managed to do it. Fold these inward. Crease.
Oh,
See the creases? That's why it's important.
Oh.
And then
I'm still watching.
On all four sides, fold these in.
I didn't see that.
No, fold it from here in. And this. Like that.
Origamis are things that are made out of
on the other side too.
So yeah.
And then I think this is odd, but fold this down. And then fold this up, fold this up.
I haven't fold this up.
So get this. No, you're supposed to fold the whole thing. And then fold it up, fold these out. The other side, fold these out. You may think this is odd, but we'll do this. If you got good folds, it'll fold into place, but you just have to help it fold. Fold it into a kind of like a diamond shape.
I didn't follow that.
Okay, but you'll see the other side because you're supposed to do it on both sides. Pull this up, and if you have good folds, it'll try and fold into that shape, but you just have to help it fold into that shape, because if you have bad creases, it might not fold. Some sides are a little bit stiffer. I've learned this. And
Okay, I'll leave it like
do it here. Open that up and fold. And the sides are supposed to fold in. You just have to help them.
Still watching.
Ooh, a little bit. I think I got a little bit, but
and this is
It is origami, which means it's made out of paper.
You fold it up like this, and then you get the outside. And then you have this shape, like a diamond shape.
Oh, cool.
But then you fold it this way, and you have something like a spaceship, and you have this line. And I bet you're wondering, how can you make a peace crane with this?
Mm-hmm.
It's supposed to, you fold that up and this up, but then you fold it down. And I don't think you start to see the shape. So you see, it's kind of like the same thing, but these are your wings.
Oh,
You fold this a little out.
that's cool.
It is cool because it is a peace crane. It stands for peace. And of course, it's what my brother taught me how to do before, but now I don't know it, and he has to taught me again. So yeah.
And then, see, this one's a little bit
That's cute.
more in than this one. This one's more out, so I'm gonna use this one and make the head. And then you have your origami peace crane. And under the wings, you can write messages. And I don't think they can really fly, but I'll test it. Like, not really. But here you have your peace crane.
It's a peace crane too.
It is a peace crane.
That does fly. So
It does not fly.
no.
I was just testing it if it flies. But when I made it, these do not really fly at all. In Japan, they're called peace cranes because they're for peace. Because you can write messages on the bottom of their wings and probably like give it to a neighbor and they could read the message. You could put like I love you, like something nice, and give it to someone.